The shape of our world, a journey through time. Our planet, a magnificent sphere, has been the subject of human curiosity and wonder for millennia. For centuries, humans have pondered the shape of our world. From the earliest days of civilization, scholars and thinkers have sought to understand the nature of the Earth. They meticulously studied the heavens and the land, trying to piece together the puzzle of our planet's form. It's a simple question with a profound answer. The quest to understand the Earth's shape has driven countless hours of observation, debate, and exploration. Philosophers and scientists alike have dedicated their lives to this pursuit, each generation building upon the knowledge of those who came before. Early civilizations often believed Earth was flat. This belief was widespread, with many cultures envisioning the Earth as a flat disk. These early maps and drawings reflect a world where the horizon marked the edge of existence. They imagined a disk surrounded by vast oceans or held aloft by mythical creatures. These images were not just artistic expressions but were deeply rooted in the mythologies and legends of the time. They provided a framework for understanding the unknown. These beliefs were often intertwined with mythology and religion. Religious texts and rituals frequently depicted the Earth in ways that aligned with these early cosmologies, reinforcing the idea of a flat world held together by divine forces. But even in those times, curious minds were observing the world around them. Early scientists and astronomers began to question the flat Earth model. They used rudimentary tools and keen observation to gather evidence that suggested a different reality. They noticed patterns in the sky and the seas, hints that our planet was something more. The movements of the stars, the changing tides, and the curvature of the horizon all pointed to a spherical Earth. These early observations laid the groundwork for a new understanding of our world. Ancient insights, shadows and ships that sailed to the end. One of the earliest hints came from the shadows. Eratosthenes, a Greek scholar, noticed differences in the sun's angle at different locations. He used this to calculate Earth's circumference with remarkable accuracy, proving it was a sphere. Centuries later, Ferdinand Magellan's expedition circumnavigated the globe. Their journey, completed in 1522, provided tangible proof that one could sail in one direction and return to their starting point. Earth's embrace, gravity, and the bending of the horizon. The shape of our planet isn't just a matter of historical exploration, it's a fundamental law of physics. Gravity pulls equally in all directions. This force, acting on a massive scale, naturally forms objects into spheres. We can see evidence of Earth's curvature in the way the horizon curves and distant objects disappear, hull first. This phenomenon wouldn't occur on a flat Earth. Section 4. Cosmic clues, eclipses, stars, and pictures from above. Looking beyond our planet, we find more proof in the cosmos. During a lunar eclipse, Earth casts a curved shadow on the moon. This curvature is consistent with a spherical Earth. Furthermore, the constellations we see change as we travel north or south. This wouldn't happen if Earth were flat. Finally, photographs taken from space provide undeniable visual confirmation of our planet's spherical shape. Section 5. Proving it yourself. Simple experiments for a round Earth. You don't need a spaceship to prove Earth is round. Simple observations will do. By conducting a few easy experiments, you can see the evidence for yourself. One classic experiment is to watch a ship as it sails away from you. Notice how the ship seems to disappear hull first, followed by the mast and sails. This phenomenon occurs because the ship is moving over the curved surface of the Earth. This happens because the Earth is curving away from you. The curvature of the Earth causes the lower parts of the ship to vanish first, while the upper parts remain visible for a longer time. Another simple experiment involves observing a sunset or sunrise from different elevations. If you watch the sunset from a beach and then quickly move to a higher elevation like a hill or a mountain, you'll notice that you can see the sun for a longer duration. This is because from a higher vantage point, you are able to see further over the Earth's curved surface. The higher you go, the further you can see, and the longer you can observe the sun before it dips below the horizon. These simple experiments are accessible to anyone and provide clear evidence of the Earth's curvature. So, next time you have the opportunity, try these observations yourself and witness the roundness of our planet with your own eyes. Section 6. A round world, a universe of wonders. From ancient scholars to modern astronauts, the evidence is clear and overwhelming. Our Earth is a sphere. The journey to this understanding has been long and filled with curiosity, skepticism, and groundbreaking discoveries. Ancient civilizations gazed at the stars, charting their movements and pondering the mysteries of the heavens. They laid the groundwork for future generations to build upon. This fundamental truth has shaped our understanding of physics, astronomy, and our place in the cosmos. The realization that we live on a spherical planet has influenced scientific thought and exploration for centuries. It has driven us to develop complex theories and technologies, from the laws of gravity to the construction of powerful telescopes that peer deep into the universe. As we continue to explore the universe, let's remember the journey that began with a simple question about the shape of our world. This question sparked a quest for knowledge that transcended borders and cultures, uniting humanity in a shared pursuit of understanding. The maps of old, once flat and limited, have evolved into detailed representations of our round world, thanks to the relentless efforts of explorers and scientists. It's a journey that has led to countless discoveries and continues to inspire us to reach for the stars. Each new finding, each new piece of the puzzle, brings us closer to comprehending the vastness of the universe. The spirit of exploration and the thirst for knowledge drive us forward, reminding us that the quest to understand our world and beyond is never ending.